Hi guys, today in this video I am going to tell you how to fix this small screen problem in VirtualBox. So recently I have installed my Windows 11 in VirtualBox and now I am facing this problem that when I try to maximize this window, the main window remains the same. So we need to do some settings in the VirtualBox and the Windows itself. So first of all we need to turn off this virtual machine. So let me shut down this first. And now we are in our VirtualBox, so I'll select my Windows 11 and here is the video memory. So I'll push it to the maximum limit, which is around 256 MB. So let's click OK and make sure that you have not deleted that installation media which was used in installing Windows 11. So make sure it is there, okay, as a optical disk. Now let us start our virtual machine. So here we are in our virtual windows. Now first of all we go to this section, devices section, and insert guest additional CD image. Okay, now we will open our file explorer in virtual Windows 11 and we go to our this PC and here is the CD. So just open it and we have to install this file, VBox Windows Additions. Okay, so just double click and here is the installation. Next and install. So it is a very quick process. So this will definitely change the resolution. See, and just reboot your system, I mean the virtual machine. So let's finish and the Windows will restart and it will fix the problem for sure. So let's see. And a very humble request from you guys, please make sure to subscribe and support my channel. So here we are. Now we will go to file and preferences and display, and we will select automatic to hint and we can set the resolution. So I'm going to set 1920 to 180, sorry 1080 pixels, and click OK. And now we will go here, see this icon here, now visual screen 1, and we will select our resolution which is here, resize to 1920 into 1080. So we will select this and let's resize this. See, one time minimize maximize, it's done. And let's select full screen mode. So we click view and full screen mode and see our Windows is now full screen. And let's personalize it. So this Windows is not activated, see. So I have already made a video for how to activate Windows 11 for free, so don't forget to check out that video. The link is in the description box. And if I solved your problem, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. Thank you for watching.